The US stock indexes are moving down away from historic highs amid uncertain prospects of the US economic recovery. The US dollar is regaining footing versus major currencies, including the Canadian dollar. Bitcoin is hovering close to record highs today, ready to conquer new peaks. The Dow Jones slipped 0.09%, the Nasdaq is 0.18% down, and the S&P 500 shed 0.24%. The US stocks have been trading in the choppy market this week. Earlier, Wall Street investors saw fresh historic highs. Later in the week, the benchmark stock indexes were trading mixed due to weaker than expected weekly unemployment claims released on Thursday. And today, Wall Street investors are cautious. They admit that the stocks are trading at inflated market words. Other cases for concern are soaring coronavirus rates and the threat of mutant strains. Besides, a lot of countries have to deal with the obstacles to mass vaccination. The question is still open when authorities will eventually lift restrictions and consumers will be able to spend money on traveling and leisure. The New York trade could be sensitive to a preliminary consumer sentiment index, which shed light on how households assess the US economy. Analysts project the index to climb to 80.8 points in February from 79 points in January. In the early European session, the US dollar rebounded against its rival currencies. However, it has not regained losses yet after its first decline in 3 weeks. Investors still doubt if the US economy is able to gather momentum. The US dollar index rose 0.3% against a basket of 6 major currencies to the level of 90.67. Oil prices halted its 9-day winning streak and lost ground, this hindering the rally of the Canadian dollar. Thus, the greenback advanced 0.36% against the loonie to trade at 1.2745. Since early morning, Bitcoin has been holding at record highs, set for new gains. Having grown 5% today, the number one cryptocurrency is now trading at $47,943 per token. Some analysts reckon that Bitcoin is on track to approach $50,000 late today. Bitcoin received a boost on Monday after Tesla announced it had invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Following the announcement, the digital currency surpassed the historic high of $41,950 hit on January 8. The most popular digital asset set fresh records for 2 days in a row. At the beginning of the year, the US dollar sank to record lows. Nevertheless, it has revived afterwards and has never dropped as low since January. However, market participants have revised the sentiment on the US currency that affected its forex rate. The steady rally in the US stock market contributes to the overall optimism. While the stocks are consolidating gains, Wall Street investors are wondering if they should consider such a dazzling rally to be a bubble which is about to burst soon. One thing is obvious. In case the stocks make a deep downward correction, the US dollar will be the first asset to win favor with investors. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you on Monday. We wish you profitable deals and have a nice weekend.